Hello friends! Is your car having trouble maintaining speed on cruise control, or does it deactivate unexpectedly? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0596, it means there's an issue with the cruise control servo control circuit low. This can lead to a non-responsive cruise control, erratic acceleration, or sudden disengagement. In this video, I'll explain what P0596 means, its symptoms, where to find the key components, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0596? The P0596 code stands for Cruise Control Servo Control Circuit Low. This means the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected a low voltage issue in the cruise control servo circuit. The cruise control servo is a critical part of the system, helping regulate vehicle speed. If this circuit has an issue, cruise control may fail or work erratically. Common symptoms of P0596. Cruise control does not engage or disengages suddenly. Cruise control light not turning on or flashing. Car does not maintain a constant speed when cruise control is active. Erratic acceleration while using cruise control. Check engine light, CEL, illuminated. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the faulty components. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0596, you need to check these key components. Cruise control servo motor. Location, usually found near the throttle body or intake manifold. This motor helps adjust the throttle when cruise control is engaged. Cruise control module. Location, often mounted under the dashboard or in the engine bay near the firewall. It communicates with the PCM to regulate vehicle speed. Throttle position sensor, TPS. Location, on the throttle body near the intake manifold. This sensor controls throttle response during cruise control operation. Brake pedal position sensor. Location, above the brake pedal under the dashboard. If this sensor fails, it may deactivate cruise control. Wiring harness and connectors. Location, running between the cruise control servo, module, and PCM. Corroded or damaged wires can cause voltage issues in the circuit. Tip: always check the wiring and connectors first before replacing expensive components. Common causes of P0596 faulty cruise control servo motor. A failing servo may not properly adjust throttle input. Short circuit or corroded wiring. Loose, damaged, or corroded wires can disrupt voltage signals. Malfunctioning cruise control module. If this module is defective, it won't send proper commands to maintain speed. Faulty brake pedal sensor. If this sensor mistakenly detects braking, it can deactivate cruise control. PCM ECM software issues. Sometimes an outdated engine control module, ECM, may need reprogramming. How to fix P0596. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0596 code and check for additional faults. Step 2. Inspect the cruise control servo motor. If it's not responding, replacing it may fix the issue. Step 3. Check the wiring harness. Look for damaged, corroded, or loose connections and repair them. Step 4. Test the cruise control module. If it's malfunctioning, replacing it might be necessary. Step 5. Examine the brake pedal sensor. If it's faulty, replace or adjust it to restore proper function. Step 6. Clear the fault codes and test drive the vehicle to ensure cruise control is functioning correctly. Final words: ignoring P0596 can make highway driving more tiring and less efficient. Fixing this issue early ensures smooth and comfortable driving. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0438. Catalyst temperature sensor circuit high input. P0439. Catalyst temperature sensor circuit intermittent. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.